This Amazon FBA error is costing you money and sales. And it's very simple. It happens to a lot of sellers. And if we're looking at Amazon right now, we can see that here's a listing and it has 0 in Amazon FBA inventory, but it's got 71 in reserved. So that means that customers can purchase your units, right? And what happens is your listing looks something like this, where it shows your product and it has boom, but then it says usually ships within 1 to 2 months, which is just completely absurd. Amazon does change this day to day, but what happens if you're running ads, you're pushing sales, you're doing a campaign, and you're like, what's going on? I'm running sales, my ads are doing terrible, everything's doing bad. It's because of the shipping time. If your shipping time is this bad, or pretty much if it's not Amazon Prime 2-day shipping, you'll notice that your Amazon ads are doing terrible. It's pretty much costing your sales. Customers aren't buying from you. Competitors are getting in front of you. And that's why it's so important to send your stock into Amazon FBA early and making sure you stay in stock at all times, because sometimes it takes Amazon 14 to 30 days just to check in your inventory. During the holiday season, Q4, it takes even longer. So stay on top of this. I've seen this a lot. Why are my ads not doing well? And it's because customers come on, and I can promise you, right? My partner, she's like, I'm not buying this because it's taking 4 days to ship. And I'm like, oh my gosh, everybody these days wants everything instantly. And I'm sure you know somebody like that as well. So just be aware of things like that. And then one other thing that I do want to mention is if you're not indexing on Amazon, which has been happening a lot lately to many of our clients. So if you sell a product, an adult product, or any product in general, sometimes Amazon will secretly take you off and you're not searchable, which means customers can't find your product. What you want to do is you want to find your listing, right? So for example, if this is your listing right here, go up, copy your ASIN. You're going to go into Amazon, click the Amazon logo, make sure it says all departments. It has to be on all. Type in your ASIN, click enter, and if it says no results and it doesn't show your product, you are not indexing. You're ghosted. Amazon sometimes calls it shadow banned. There's all these different terms, but the actual term is you're not indexing on Amazon. Nobody can find your product, right? And that's going to hurt your sales by a lot. And Amazon will lie to you. So Amazon does not understand this a lot. You have to talk to the catalog team, get on the phone, tell them to do what I just told you, because Amazon, we recently reached out and they said, I have thoroughly investigated both ASINs and confirmed they are not flagged as an adult, nor are they shadow banned, right? So that's where I got that term. I got it from Amazon, shadow banned. They lied. It's still not searchable. But if you type in your competitors, boom, they are searchable, right? If you do that ASIN. So you definitely want to notice that as well and stay on top of it. So because Amazon will lie, they don't know what they're talking about. So you really need to get on the phone with somebody. But if you do need help and you need an audit, we'll do a free audit for you. Just go to the link below, go to our website, ehpconsultinggroup.com, click on free listing audit, fill this out. And the best part is we're going to be doing a full audit, give you your top competitors, and we'll look at your first image, secondary images, your entire listing to see why you're not generating as many sales as you should and why your competitors are generating sales. We'll have an expert come in completely for free, and that's just going to help you succeed in your business. But that's it for today's video. If you like this video, feel free to drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's helping you in your Amazon journey. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. We'll manage your inventory, customer service, design, SEO, ads, calling Amazon, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I am signing out. 3,